Hi guys, welcome to the YouTube channel of Fincode Technological Solutions, a web-based Nidhi software provider. Today's topic is one of the most common question every director has after opening a Nidhi company is which Nidhi software should we purchase? So today we will deal with the things to keep in mind before buying a Nidhi software. So directly coming to the topic, how to choose the best Nidhi software for your company. First, does the software which you are going to purchase provide the basic functionalities related to Nidhi operations? Is the software easy to operate and freely accessible? Is the software automated and will it save future cost for the company? Will I be able to track my business performance with this software? And lastly, and the most important, does this software provider has good after sales service or not? Guys, if you have these questions in mind, you are visiting the correct video, and by the end of this video, you will have a clear vision on which Nidhi software you are going to purchase. We will go into detail of each of these criteria before choosing and making the final decision for buying the best Nidhi software. So the first question, does the software provides the basic functionality related to Nidhi operations? So does the software which I am going to purchase provides the basic functionalities related to Nidhi operations? Guys, most of the Nidhi softwares in the market will provide you with admin portal, employee portal features with related to members, admin, and it will allow you to create deposits like daily deposits, fixed deposits, recurring deposit, monthly income scheme, and so on. Also, it will provide you with functionalities like opening loan against property, loan against gold, loan against deposits. Other functionalities which are very common in all the Nidhi softwares is print passbook facility, account statement report, passing journal entries, and so on. But as a owner, what more should you look into? Guys, a Nidhi software is successful only if its members and customers can rely on the company, and for that they should have their own customer portal. Hence, if you need to confirm, you basically need to confirm if the customer portal is available or not in the software, Nidhi software that you are going to purchase. This customer portal is a huge plus for the company, and the members will be able to trust a company only if they have a customer portal where they are able to view their own balances. Imagine I being a customer, I am able to view my own savings balance, my own deposit balance. Then the trust that a member develops in the company is very high. Similarly, check whether the server, where the company is maintaining the data, the Nidhi company is maintaining your data, is kept at a secure location or not. Like secure location, by secure location I mean Google Cloud or AWS Amazon Web Server or not. Having server at local site could crash at any time and your data will be lost. So the first answer to the query is that the software should have a separate portal for admin login, employee login, customer login. It should have features like daily deposit module, fixed deposit module, recurring deposit module, loan against property, loan against gold, loan against deposits modules. Also, the software should have a server space at secure location like Google Cloud or Amazon Web Server only. Guys, let me tell you, Fincode Nidhi Software is one such company which provides you with admin portal, employee portal, customer portal, and along with secured server feature. Coming to the second most important question before you go and buy the software is whether the software I am going to purchase is easy to operate and freely accessible or not. Guys, whenever we say a software should be easy to operate and think if my employees will be able to access it successfully, two things comes to my mind. First, the software should be a web-based software, which means I should be able to access it from anywhere. whether at home, office, or any other location. The major issue which most softwares, Nidhi softwares, is that they provide a desktop based exe version software which can be accessible only when we are at the office and not when we are at some other location. This basically creates a lot of problems as owners have a lot more responsibility in other business areas as well. And it is not possible for them to come to office to check out Nidhi operations on a regular basis if the software is a exe based software. Hence, a web-based Nidhi cloud software should be purchased, which can be accessible from anywhere by the directors, whenever they are at office or they are at home, they can just log in into mobile and or laptop and can access the data. Another thing which is important is the software should have an SMS notification facility for the members so that the members are able to view the balances, do their transactions just as we do for internet banking whenever we are using some nationalized bank softwares. The third question is whether the software is automated or not and will it save my future cost. Now this is the most important question in my mind, and your decision on which software to purchase should largely depend on whether the software you are purchasing is automated or not and will it save my future cost or not. Any software is purchased to ease out operations and to ensure that regular tasks can be performed automatically without any manual error. For this, you need to ensure that the monthly or daily or weekly installments that are being deducted should be done automatically just as nationalized banks operate. What happens when you are working with the nationalized banks? Whenever your EMI due date falls, the amount is automatically deducted from savings account without any manual intervention. This is what your software should also do. Whenever the due date falls for any loan, the amount will be deducted automatically from members' savings account. This will also ensure that there is no manual error and significant portion of your staff time will be saved because the majority of operations will be done on an automatic basis. So the major three criteria which you need to look into before buying the software and whether checking whether the software is automated or not, check whether the EMI deduction facility in case of loans is automatic or not. Check in case of deposits, the installments are getting automatically collected or not. Automatically collected or automatically deducted by I mean that on the due dates, the balances will be deducted from the savings account of that member. I as a staff of the company or as a director need not regularly pass entries for those things. Because remember guys, anything which involves manual intervention will cause problems, will create errors only. So the software should be an automatic one. Also similarly, the software should trigger automatic notifications to members as well whenever there is a deposit or withdrawal from their account. Let me tell you guys that Fincode Nidhi software is automated to the extent of 82% of its total operations is automated. 82% of your total operations in Fincode Nidhi software is fully automated. Coming to the fourth question, will I be able to track my business performance if I purchase this software? Again, this is also a very tricky and important question. Having opened a Nidhi company, you must be aware that as an owner, you must be able to track your monthly profit from your Nidhi company, and you should have a fair idea of the total deposits and loans your company has on a particular day. In other words, if I say the Nidhi software which you are going to purchase should be able to provide profit and loss statement, balance sheet, cash book on real-time basis. Also, you must be aware that a Nidhi company has to submit various forms to ROC like like NDH1 is there, NDH3 is there, NDH4 is there, which you need to submit every half yearly to the ROC, and for which the consultants charge hefty amounts for preparing those forms because those forms are quite different than the regular forms which are required to be uploaded to MCA. Your software should be able to provide these data related to these forms automatically, which will in turn save you a lot of money that you will be required to pay otherwise to the Nidhi consultants. See, if your reports NDH1, NDH3 and NDH4 are automatically getting generated, you can just generate the report and submit it to the ROC by just paying a nominal fees to the CA for signing the forms. But imagine, what if they are themselves preparing these forms? These forms are itself complicated. So if they are themselves preparing these forms, first chance is they will make some error, and second chance is they will charge you significant amount. So your software should be one which will be able to generate these reports automatically. And automatic generation of real-time statement of profit and loss and balance sheet is also required. Again, as I have been mentioning, Fincode Nidhi Software provides you with facility of real-time downloading of state profit and loss, balance sheet, cash book, ROC related reports, NDH1, 3, 4 and so on. Also, the software should be able to provide you a tracker of the total deposits and total loans that the company is having. Finally, coming to the last question, is the software which I am going to purchase is a one-time sale or it has some after-sales service? Guys, always remember that any software which you are purchasing is bound to have some bugs or the other. So you need to ensure that whatever bugs or whatever error that you find in the software should be rectified within 2 days, or if there is any major issue, it should be rectified within 3 days. To ensure that, you need to make sure at the time of purchasing the software, ask the team whether they have a proper after sales service and support facility or not. Similarly, if there is any requirement of a customized report, it should be configurable within 2 to 3 working days. Taking a software which does not have proper customer support is useless and won't be of any use, as software support is of paramount importance, without which carrying on business will be extremely difficult. Also, it is advisable to purchase softwares whose services are provided online, as their services are generally seen to be good. So these are the things you need to look into. The software company should provide proper after sales service and support facility. They should provide on-hand training for softwares. They should have customizable reports. The bugs or the reports should be rectified in 2 working days maximum. Based on these total criteria, I have listed out the major and the final important essential features which whatever software you are going to purchase should have minimum. First, customer portal. Second, it should be a web-based software provider. Third, auto EMI deduction facility and installment collection facility should be there in that software. The financial statements and the ROC related reports should be real time and should be directly downloaded from your portal, from the software portal. The SMS notification facility for members should be there, as it creates a lot of trust among the members. And finally, complete after sales service cum support should be provided by the company. Guys, if you have liked this video, do subscribe to our channel Fincode Technological Solutions, and in case you require the software, you are free to connect us to this mail IDs given below, or you may also